It's my 8th America's Cup, actually the first time, that we are launching a boat 4 days earlier. And that's thanks to the process of the VR. I'm Dimitri Despierres, responsible for the mechatronic department. It's basically coordinating and doing a lot of decisions with the group about electronics and control systems in general for the boat and all these things that let our boat fly. Some of the unique challenges that we faced designing the high-performance sailing boat like the AC-75 has been to make sure that you have the right center of gravity, the lightest package, so saving weight, and this has been one of the main challenge. The VR tools has improved the design process compared to the usual CAD tools by being way more accurate and being able to integrate way more details. And the way we do this compared to what we were doing before, you would do a mock-up in wood and start assembling stuff or having engineers introducing more than 2,000 components in their CAD models, and rather than doing this, it's totally immersive with the VR. Our technicians and engineers, they go inside the boat virtually, and they start placing their components and even installing what they would do 6 or 7 months later. So the VR has allowed us to anticipate a lot of things, including, like example, interfering or collaborating with the other departments into structure and telling them, yes, okay, well, we're going to penetrate that bulkhead at this place and put wires or piping into the boat at that place, and we need this and that at that place. Yes, the reaction of the team for the immersive experience is phenomenal. To be honest, there is one thing that is great. When you ask them, they are saying to you, okay, well, we don't want to do it another way anymore. So you have a boat that is 7 tons. You have more than 2,000 components to assemble in the boat. And in the design process, 9 months earlier, you need to decide where you're going to place your foils. And without the VR, you cannot be as accurate, because placing all those components accurately in the boat with the technician and engineer really placing, like virtually placing, but still really for us, you end up having the center of gravity and the weight very accurate, and that's directly translating into the performance of the boat, because we know exactly where we need to place our foils. So that's definitely a success. And in the time that we are mindful of waste and recycling, VR is actually contributing also to that, because we were doing mock-ups in wood, or we were having extra length for many components. With the VR, we can reduce that, and in the industry, it's going to be critical. They are pushed and under pressure to make savings, and the savings will come with the VR by reducing the waste and being able to recycle parts. So, like you could imagine for a plane or a car, especially for a plane, how kilometers of cables you have in a plane, and if you know you can cut it to length and prepare these things in advance, that's a win for everyone.